Choppin from Wing Hing. I'm especially on doing bodyworks and paints. The most unique Hilux with a special cab. We over here got the extra cab, and then you got more space for this. And why we are excited for this is really a unique car, which is the all over, it's a custom mix, everything built only for this car. I already looked through the car. So basically, we need to cut off all the mark we make, and then for the fenders as well, I'm going to remove and widen it to make more clearance for these 40-inch tires. We're going to shorten the trunk bed, 12-inch, shorten the light over here, and widen the wheelbase. Come on, give me some. So basically the original size plus this and over there. So basically now we already cut out. So this is what we cut out, the size. And then we have custom knock out the body shape of the fender arch and all the linings and everything. So this is the previous light. We are moving to different kinds of design.
By shortening the body, is it a problem?
Custom world, man. Custom world. Outlaw. Next week, going to fill up all the holes and everything. And then also the second stage is bare metals and also the epoxy. Interior. Going to remove the whole car's interior, and then we need to refurbish, upholsteries, everything, change the seat, and then rewrap the dash and the door panels, carpets and soundproofings and everything. Basically more or less it's around there, but any more, stay tuned.